This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Instagram message reply option not showing problem. So if you're trying to reply a message but the message reply option is not showing, or message swipe reply option not showing or not working, follow these simple steps to fix this issue, and the solution will be similar for Android and iOS device. The first solution is make sure to update your Instagram application. To do that, open your App Store or Play Store. Search for Instagram. If you see any update available, then update your app and then check the issue. And the second solution is open your Insta application. Open your profile. Tap on this three-line icon at the top right. Settings and privacy. Tap on help. Report a problem. And all you have to need, just carefully describe that your Instagram message reply option not showing or message swipe reply option not showing. You can upload a screenshot from here. And all you have to need, just send this report and wait 24 hours and hope Instagram will fix your message reply option not showing issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.